If you watched my last unboxing of the Shara Crane Traveler's Notebook in a Christmas theme, then you will know that I had planned to create my own version, and that is what I am here sharing with you today. This is my Halloween Traveler's Notebook. So when I first got the Sweet and Spooky collection from Paige Evans, I was absolutely in love, and I had been hoarding the Hey Pumpkin crate paper collection for years before that, and I turned them into this masterpiece of Halloween fun, and I wanted to share with you what exactly I have created. So if you want to even just start with the cover, I did the hand-torn papers as a base and stitched around in a black thread. I found this gorgeous tree from Creative Memories. I was there for an all-day crop and was very happy to find this really nice material. I'll show you actually, the back is also from Creative Memories, and it is this spider web, and it's got a nice thickness to it, and it goes perfectly here on the back cover. And I have just created my little stamped label at the back to say that it has been created by me, and I will clip this little spider onto his web, and it looks as though he has spun this gorgeous little web. I am debating sewing this or just gluing it down, so I've left it like this for now, but I wanted to share where those pieces came from. This pumpkin came from a Michael's grab box that I got for Halloween, and I was so ecstatic to be able to include this type of texture on the cover, so you can just see a little bit of that pumpkin peeking through, and it was in all the perfect colors. This is a Hey Pumpkin chipboard, as is actually I'm not sure if this ghost is from Paige Evans Sweet and Spooky or if it was from the same collection, but another chipboard piece there. These are also chipboard pieces. I've got some gorgeous little gems. These are the Rosie Studio gems that I love so much, and I've paired them even with just some regular enamel dots. This cute little puffy sticker cat, a little heart. I've got layers of materials in here, some of this tulle with polka dot just peeking out, some messy thread balled up and in behind this girl. I decided to put my name on it because I know that I am not going to be gifting this to anyone else. This is going to be just a beautiful journal for me to enjoy. I will share the side with you. Look at that beautiful view of all these different amazing colors and textures. So I have these. I can even show you the label of one of these guys. This is the Scrap Cabin Shop, and she's based out of Grand Marais, which actually isn't very far from me. I've discovered that that is where her shop is located. She actually just sells online, but it was really interesting to find out that she actually lives very close to where I live as well. And that is what I have used to create the closure here. So I just wanted to share with you that I did put the closure right into the album, and it is sandwiched in here with all of the layers. And when I first got Shara's Traveler's Notebook, I looked at it and it was pretty easy to understand and recreate. I did, however, sign up for one of her classes. She is doing a different size Traveler's Notebook in a Maggie Holmes style. It was $185 for the class and kit. I can link her website down below if you're interested. She still even had two of these Christmas albums available for purchase. She has tutorials on her website if you want to see how she makes and binds her books. I used a 5-step pamphlet stitch on this side, and I will just walk you through the album and how I created it and what it looks like inside each page. So taking a absolute lead from one of Shara's favorite things to do is stitching sequins onto a page. These gorgeous stars came from our dollar store. I have been holding on to these for a while. I did stock up on quite a few. They had hearts and stars in different colors, and I absolutely adore these embellishments. They're very interesting textures, colors, and materials. We come over to here. I have created a pocket, stitched and attached to a base page. I have made some little tags here that you could put pictures or journaling on the back. This is a really adorable doodle bug. I think it's also called Hey Pumpkin. They do have a Hey Pumpkin Halloween collection. Actually, I just put those back there. That came out last year. So I don't know why I'm so inspired for Halloween right now. It's all full on winter, yet close to spring for some people. And here I am designing Halloween. It might be the fact that Serena B and I just did a Halloween Happy Mail exchange. So maybe that's what's got the bug. I've had these products for a while that I had been wanting to do. There is a gorgeous little torn edge here with a place to slip tags in. These are my paper snippets, or my snippet rolls. They're actually like made out of fabric. And actually maybe this is the reason also why I was inspired to create this. I came across some pajamas from Old Navy that were on clearance. You'll see more pieces of that fabric as we go throughout here, but I was very inspired. I purchased Shara's snippet roll tutorial and I created this, and I've since created more snippet rolls, and they are addicting. So I have stitched in here a set of confetti that I got from Michael's, and I have attached this little ghosty. I've been debating like cutting off these little like pieces here. They got kind of smushed in my case, and I'm trying to determine whether or not I like that or not. I can actually even just like peel that whole layer back and have just the ghost. Let's just do that actually. Let's take these off. There we go. So we've got just our little ghosty on there. I like that look. It's got the messy, similar sort of materials underneath here, and it's actually even on the other side. I could have actually put it the other way around because they are the same on each side. So there's a little brad here holding this in place, and then this is movable, and that's paper clipped in there. So on this side, I have stitched on this gorgeous sparkly tulle, and I have created a little shaker pocket, a mix of Hey Pumpkin from Doodlebug and some gorgeous sequins that I had, and paired it with this gorgeous paper from Doodlebug. So adorable. This came to me in that Happy Mail from Serena B, and it is a really cute paper clip. I have put a hand-stitched or embroidered pumpkin on the back, taking a note from Paige Evans. That is her sort of style. Well, and also let's turn this over. This looked cute with this little pumpkin peeking out over here, but let's take that off for now. So this I've added, again, a hand-stitched embellishment from Paige Evans Collections into the pocket of a Happy Mail envelope that a pen pal had sent to me. This one here is one of our whimsical houses. So this was created for me by Serena B. We did a whimsical houses swap. I started creating these whimsical houses. They're meant to be made out of scraps, but I have been creating them out of some new materials and some old. And Serena created this gorgeous one for me in the swap that she sent. I'll just leave those here. And I had to include it in this book, and it pops out the top just perfectly. It was perfect for that pocket. These both background pages here are again Doodlebug. I have stitched a spider web off the side and added one of these webbed stickers, and that just provides a cute little edging. This edging ribbon that I got was again from that Michael's Grab box that I unboxed for you recently on my channel. Maybe that's why, like, when I think about why I'm so inclined to create with Halloween, I got a Michael's Grab box. I did this snippet roll with these pajamas I found on clearance from Halloween. I got a Happy Mail from Serena, and this has all been like within the last month. So no wonder I've been inspired for this. This came from Serena B as well. This is a gorgeous little clip that she gave me in that Happy Mail that I unboxed. And then here we have a set of houses. So this I decided to leave just on its own blank because I love this paper and this pattern. I have done some hand stitching on this little fence here and the top of this haunted house. Another one of my snippet rolls on a paper clip with this cute little ghosty hanging down. I've stitched in some beautiful pom-pom trim off the edge, creating that beautiful layer of texture. Here, another hand embroidered web on a tag. I've backed it with another tag. This is wide open that you could easily do a layout here, put some pictures and stuff, lots of open space there. I've got this tag off the edge. It's got a little bit bent here. I did this embroidering around the lollipop. This cute little pumpkin came from BB Craft. It's hanging off the edge of this tag. This punch from this tag was from Creative Memories. When I was at that crop, she had some punches available to use, and that is how I punched that out. Another sort of empty space here, just to give your eyes a chance to rest. These bats were sent to me in that Happy Mail from Serena B, and I actually glued them right into the page so that you can't see them on the back side of this page, but they are attached in here, and then you can easily put things in and out of the paper clips, and it offers an opportunity to put this beautiful tag with my snippet roll material coming off the top. This, I received this ribbon in the Michael's Grab box, and I actually just cut out one of the ghosts. These letters are from Paige Evans Sweet and Spooky. I've stitched them over top of this paper that has been all lined with black stitching as well. If you are born in the 70s or 80s, you'll probably recognize this treat bag. This is something that is a blast from the past in my childhood. Anytime I have shown friends of the same age this book, they immediately are taken aback by this bag. It came from Serena B, and I've created a little tag to go in this pocket, and it's got again my material that I got from the clearance Halloween pajamas from Old Navy. And kind of what sparked the whole sort of interest in creating those snippet rolls. So this beautiful pumpkin is right there, that paper, and I've got a lovely little pocket. So here we add the element of vellum. So I've created a pocket that is like on the side here that you can tuck things into. I have created a half pocket here and just put in these gorgeous tags, just plain, nothing done to those. And so this is the paper from Hey Pumpkin. It's got a nice sort of foiled metallic boo to you. I use the Let's Go Ghouls letters from Paige Evans, Sweet and Spooky. Here again, we have more of this pajama fabric on both sides of this layout. I've created a half pocket. I've put in some hay pumpkin, I believe these are hay pumpkin, or some tags from Doodlebug. You could put them either way. You could put your Halloween pictures in there. I love these little pockets, provides a lot of opportunity to add things. And then this is the final page, just torn down the side, just blank and simple. There's enough going on this layout to allow for just sort of more of a blank page here until all of my pictures and memorabilia would be added. If I can bring myself to actually add anything in, again, then we're off to the back with this spider on its web. And that is the album. So it has so many different layers and gorgeous features and mixed materials, and I just love it. It's so much fun. It was so much fun to create. I was absolutely inspired by Paige Evans and Shara Crane and Serena B. And it just came together as a project of materials that I have been loving and kind of hoarding for the last few years. If you are interested in seeing any of my videos where I have created the snippet rolls or even unboxed the full version of this, definitely check out my channel. I will leave some videos for you here about things that we talked about today, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching.